everyone, welcome back to iMovida Career and Technology. And friends, thank you so much for all your love, support and comments, and please do keep continuing putting down your comments. If you ever face any challenges or want me to answer any of your questions, I would love to do that for you all. Now let's get into today's topic. In my last video, I have shared with you all a list of visa sponsorship jobs in British Columbia, and now in today's video I'm going to explain you how I landed up to this search. Basically today I'm going to share with you all where to and how to make this search so that you can find your dream job. And believe me, there are tons of filters that you can apply based on job category, salary, and LMIA approved, LMIA exempt, or any particular field of job that you are looking for, be it in the healthcare, be it in the management field, or in the IT or technology, or in any other engineering background. So there are tons of filters that you can apply and make your search. And there are different other criteria that you can set and filter out your category that you are looking for. So stay tuned and watch till the end of the video if you are looking for a career move in Canada with sponsorship. So without further delay, let's get into my computer and show you how I did this search. The Canadian Job Bank is an employment website, or you can say Canada's National Employment Service, available as a website or mobile app. The Employment and Social Development of Canada delivers Job Bank on behalf of the Canada Employment Insurance Commission in collaboration with provincial and territorial governments. As a key player in the Canadian labour market, Job Bank brings together organizations that share a common goal, that is making job search and recruitment easier in Canada. It provides an online database of job listings across Canada, as well as other employment services and information for job seekers and recruiters too, such as career planning, resume creation, job matching, and notifications. Job Bank advertises over millions of new jobs every year in both private and public sectors from over 200,000 registered employers across all provinces of Canada. There are over thousands of jobs in different fields getting added every day. Now let's understand how Job Bank can help you, or why Job Bank. They offer a variety of tools and services that can simplify your job search and gives you the flexibility you need to find the right job. Some of the services includes job search, career planning, resume creation, job matching, and notifications. You can access the online database of job listings and all other services across Canada using the website of Canada's Job Bank or through their on-the-go mobile app. The Job Bank mobile app is available for free on the App Store and Google Play. Job Bank is safe and reliable for all job seekers with over 200,000 verified and registered employers. There are on an average of 100,000 job seekers visits every day. Now let's get into the details of job search and filters. Simply enter a job title or location or both or other keywords and get a list of results. Don't worry if you land up to too many results. You can use filters to narrow down your search further to find exactly what you are looking for. For more accurate results, use the Advanced Search option. In the Advanced Search, you will get tons of filters to make your search more precise, such as job title, employer name, or date posted. You can mention location, employment conditions such as day, morning, evening, night, or shifting jobs, and many others. Then you can filter by provinces and territories if you are looking for within a specific region. Then there is language at work you can select, such as English, French, or both, and hours of work you are looking for, such as full-time or part-time. Next comes the period of employment. If you are looking for permanent or contract or seasonal, and the job source such as municipal or federal government or provincial and territorial government jobs, more options are you can set your expected salary, job categories, remote opportunities, employment groups, level of education and training, years of experience, and type of jobs. And friends, most importantly, intended applicants such as jobs for Canadians or authorized workers or international candidates, and also in terms of benefits, you can put your selection too. Now let's look into how to find Canadian jobs or employers who want to recruit foreign workers, be it a temporary foreign worker on work permit or outline candidates looking for work visa sponsorships. Temporary foreign workers job search in Canada's Job Bank is yet another specialized service that helps you to find list of jobs with possible visa sponsorships, or you get to know all the employers who are already LMIA approved or waiting for the approval. As you can see, there are already over 4,000 jobs in this category. You can either click on this button to view all the jobs and details and get a list of employers who recruit temporary foreign workers, or use the search fields to filter your search based on job title or keywords, location, and further narrow your search by provinces, language, expected salary, and LMIA status. For example, I want to see all temporary foreign worker jobs and employers with an average salary of 100,000 Canadian dollars and above. So let's check this checkbox, and so here you are with a consolidated and more precise list. Now click on any of these jobs to know in details about the name of the employer, work location, date posted, desired education and work experience, responsibilities, and other additional information such as the start date, number of vacancies, job bank ID, NOC code, and also the LMIA status. How will you know if this employer or job offers work visa sponsorship? Once you click and get into the job details page, scroll down to look for who can apply to this job section. As you can see, for this job posted this year for the role of Information Systems Manager, the employer has an approved LMIA. So that does mean employer is ready to hire foreign worker. Here is the NOC code, and if you further scroll down, the employer clearly mentions besides Canadian citizens and permanent residents, other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit can also apply for this position. So that means employer is ready to provide a work visa sponsorship to eligible candidates. You will come across many jobs in the temporary foreign workers category that strictly mentions that these are not for candidates who does not have an authorized work permit. But I would suggest to check back in few days, since the employer has already applied for LMIA. So that does mean that this job is meant for foreign workers, and it could be the case that since the employer is still waiting for the LMIA approval, so has mentioned this clause. Maybe once it is approved, they might open up to hire outside of Canada too with work visa sponsorship. So friends, I hope this video was really helpful for you all. If you are planning for a career move in Canada, or if you are planning to settle down with your dream job in Canada, and yes, if you have found it to be of little bit helpful, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and comment me in the comment box if you want me to make contents on any specific topic. I would love to do that for you all. And stay tuned, I will be back very soon with another interesting video.